Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about the topic of transformer. So the subtopic of a transformer is basic of electrical transformer. So first of all we have to know about what is transformer. Okay. So what is an electrical transformer? Maximum most of the students என்ன நினச்சிக்கிறீங்கன்னா transformer is used to convert the energy நினச்சிக்கிறீங்க but it's fully wrong. The main purpose of transformer is used to transferring energy from one circuit into another circuit. So the transformer is an electrical machine that transfers unchanged electrical energy and frequency with a modification of voltage and current between two circuits or more than two circuits. Here the main keyword of this point is modification of voltage and current. So this is the very important point, and this unchanged electrical energy and frequency with a modification of voltage is the concept of this transformer. Okay, so the transformer having the three concept. The first one is does not modify the power between primary and secondary circuit. The second one is does not modify the frequency. It will not modify the frequency level of AC current or voltage. Then the transformer only modify the voltage and current. Okay, next, what is the use of transformer? The transformer which is used to change the voltage and current level. Then what are all the type of transformer are there? So the type of transformer can be classified into mainly two types. The first one is step up transformer and the second one is step down transformer. Step up transformer which is increases the secondary voltage, this secondary current is decreased. Okay, then the step down transformer is used to decrease the secondary voltage and the secondary current is increased. And then what are all the application of different type of transformers? The application oriented transformer can be classified power transformer. Power transformer, it is used in between the power plant and distribution network. You have already know about the power plant, I think. Then we are going to distribution transformer. It is used in primary or secondary distribution network which is in the consumer end. So this is the main process of distribution transformer. Then the third one is phase shifting transformer, which is used to control the amount of flow of active power between two transmission lines. Next, we are going to see about the working principle of transformer. The main work of transformer which is used to transfer the energy. So the transformer is a static device. There is no rotational or momentary process in this transformer. Then it will work with the principle of electromagnetic induction in the Faraday's law. And the third one is there are no moment to get relative motion between the constant flux and conductor. And the next one is instead of the transformer, flux is not fixed here or constant but varying to get the relative effect. The main process of transformer which is transformed energy from the primary to secondary through electromagnetic induction. These primary and secondary winding are coupled by mutual magnetic flux. An alternating voltage is connected to the primary coil, the primary side of the coil. These create flux in the coil. this voltage is alternating or time variant dependent. Then these time varying flux produced induced voltage in the secondary winding when it cuts through the secondary coil or winding. Okay. Thank you.